Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun training section. It is a good 4-part warm-up, train the eyes, and quick reflex training. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click the like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Warm-up exercise. Just playing with it a little bit, all right? We're going to stay parallel with it. I'm going to come in, I'm going to throw a low round, a high round, an uppercut, and a straight punch. All right, so let's start on this side. Low round comes in, I don't care if you gum or Gaan. He's going to double up. You're going to pick up the tan. He's going to throw the uppercut. You're going to gum. He's going to throw the straight punch. Bong Sao and in. All right, nice and simple. All right, so you have your Gaan, your tan, your Gum Sao, Bong Sao and back. At the side, my Gaan, my tan, Gum Sao, Bong Sao and back. Everybody okay with that? You sure? Okay, guys, 1 minute rounds.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.